49. Is he a Christian? Recently, some people in one congregation had a serious problem with a fellow member whose conduct again and again was morally offensive. The patience of all concerned was amazing, and a great deal of insult, disruptive activity and dishonesty was tolerated by them without any action. Finally, an outsider asked in amazement, "Why do you put up with all this? Do you want your church to be ruined?" The answer was, maybe he really is a Christian in spite of his behavior. If he truly is a Christian, then we should be patient with him. The questioner asked in amazement, "Is he a Christian? What has that to do with the matter? Do you mean that sin is more tolerable in a believer than an unbeliever? Does the Bible teach you to have lower standards for believers? By almost any sinner's standards, your man is still no good." The point was well made. First of all, while no man can judge the heart, every man can assess the actions, and a man's actions reveal his heart. Our Lord said plainly, quote, "Ye shall know them by their fruits. Do men gather grapes of thorns or figs of thistles? Even so, every good tree bringeth forth good fruit, but a corrupt tree bringeth forth evil fruit. A good tree cannot bring forth evil fruit. Wherefore, by their fruits ye shall know them." Matthew 7:16-18 and 20. These church members had no moral right to assume that a man was a Christian on his say, when his every action denied it. They were clearly guilty of false judgment. Second, the questioner was right. We cannot have a double standard. Being a Christian or a church member is no excuse for sinning. On the contrary, we have every right to expect church members to meet the standards of Christian faith and morality. The attitude of the members could only lead to an undisciplined church with lower standards of membership than a club or society at large.